blocked me. Wait, I can see if she did or not. Let me do something. Here she is. Sorry, I have a Twizzler in my hand. I think I just got scammed. I'll show you the message. Only if you give me gift or wishy. Okay. Can I have a brief? No. Hello? From the other side. Hello? So yeah, I think I got scammed. Please go block this girl. And so, she is very, she will trick you. She tricked me. And, yeah. So yeah, thank you for watching, and bye! Wait a second.
What?